This Calendula ointment will be very helpful if you have acne marks or small scars on your skin. Also if you have redness or if you have very sensitive skin. It regenerates skin, reduces swelling, promotes new tissue in wounds, making it great for burns, relieves itching, and gently moisturizes. For this ointment recipe, we are going to use 40 grams of dried calendula flowers. They have to be the flowers. And 250 ml of good quality cold pressed olive oil. Extra virgin 250 ml is 1 cup. If we can't get dried calendula flowers, we can use fresh flowers instead, but in this case we would need to use 80 grams, double the amount, in a small stainless steel pot. We are going to start adding the flowers. Calendula flowers are the star of this ointment because their flowers contain compounds with anti-inflammatory, healing, antibacterial and antifungal properties. They help to soothe irritated skin, promote the healing of wounds and burns, and protect the skin from infections. We add the oil and cover it. We're going to stir and try to hydrate the petals very well. With the oil we can mash a little bit and keep stirring so they get really well moistened. Olive oil is an excellent moisturizer and emollient for the skin. It helps to soften it, protect it from dryness, and improve its elasticity. In addition, olive oil also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And this, just as it is, we put it in a double boiler. Once the water boils, we place it in the double boiler and lower the heat to the absolute minimum. And at that temperature, at that pace, we leave it for 45 minutes and come back to stir it every so often. – 45 minutes have passed. Now I let it cool so I can strain the petals. Now we're going to strain it. We'll let it strain, then squeeze it. I leave it straining here so it cools down a little and then I can squeeze it well. And in the meantime, I'm going to wash this little pot because we're going to use it again. In the meantime, in the same pot that's already clean, we're going to add 30 grams of beeswax. This comes in flakes but also in pellets or grated. Now we're going to squeeze really well and try to get as much of the oil that's already been prepared with calendula out by pressing very, very hard. We add this oil to the pot with wax since we'll put it in a double boiler. Again, we boil the water, place the little pot, turn off the heat and let it warm up very gently, because what we need here is just for the wax to melt. It's almost melted, just a bit more to go. Once it melts, we remove it immediately. Now we add 1 gram of vitamin E, or about 10 drops, and we stir very, very well so that it mixes completely. We prepare the container to bottle it. and we are going to let it cool at room temperature.